Guess what time it is? Stitch Fix. I only get Stitch Fix quarterly now. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a styling service, and you pay $20 and they send you an email with 8 to 10 items to choose from, and then you pick 5, or if you can't find 5, they'll add to it. I didn't get the email. I hardly ever read my emails because I mostly do texts now, so I missed the email. They send you a free return envelope. Shipping's free both ways. And then you get, it says, oh, hello. And I don't want to look at this because it's got what I got plus a little note from your stylist, and I don't want to read any of that because I want to be surprised. And this is the dreaded price list, which we'll also look at later. Sometimes it can color how you feel about something if you know how much it costs. So here is my, this nice winter looking sweater in here, it looks like. Oops. There's something else in here I haven't seen before. What is it? Oops, sorry, I knocked into you when I was reaching in the box. 3 easy steps to the most stylish holiday season. Head to your freestyle shop, look the best you ever have, the perfect gift done. So they have a shop where you can just go shop for stuff. So this is my bundle. This is a nice looking heavy sweater. So let's see what we got. I asked them for winter tops, and I didn't want jeans. I said, you know, maybe some joggers if they had them. So let's see what I got. This is nice and soft. It's a gray top. It's not a sweatshirt. It's like a lightweight sweater, and it's got these buttons down the front. These top, do any of them button? These bottom 2 button, and the top 3 do not. So this is nice. It's made by Market and Spruce. Joey Henley Cozy Brush Knit Top, Gray 1X. So if I get something, it'll kind of be my birthday present to myself. This is a long, it looks really long. It's got ribbing on the bottom and the little slits for your hips, I guess, and then ribbing on the sleeves. Is there a tag on here somewhere? This is Market and Spruce Hazel Legging Friendly Brush Knit Top, dark purple. Oh, that's why it's so long, so it covers your things you want covered when you're wearing leggings. It's super soft too. Both of those were super soft. This one's soft too. I have one very similar to this. Well, not that similar, I guess, now that I look at it. It is Kylie Junip Mixed Media Hooded Knit Gray 1X. It's got a hood, and then it's got sort of these leopardy looking sleeves. I might be in trouble because so far I like all of this stuff and I can't really afford all of it. And this, oh, this is nice. Nice heavy sweater, and sort of a, it's more pink than it looks. It looks almost orange on the screen, but it's really more of a pink. If I get farther back, can you see it's a pink? It's a pink. If I get close, it looks orangish, but it isn't. It's a pink. And let's see what it says. Is there a tag in here? Yep. This is going to be pricey, I can tell, because it's nice and heavy. Love Ellie Ilantia or something like that. Confetti crew neck pullover sweater in pink. See, told you it was pink. And these would go with this, I think. And there's some joggers with pockets, I hope. Yes, they do have pockets. See, these are like sweatshirts, but I don't like sweatshirt material. And these are got the little cuff at the bottom and pockets on the side. I prefer pockets in the back, but joggers never have pockets in the back. And it's got the little tie thingy. So these look like they'd be very comfy. All right. Bobo, it's B-O-B-E-A-U. So it's Bobo, but just spelled weird. Quentin Brush Knit Cozy Jogger. Okay, so now we'll try all these on, but first I can't stand it. I gotta look at what the prices are. Now I've looked and saw that I pretty much like it all. Well, you don't know till you get it on, but just looking at it, okay, well, not bad. Total cost is $205.97. Buy all discount. If you buy all 5, you get 25% off. So buy all discounts $51.49. So the total for the whole box is $154.58. That is not bad for some nice winter stuff. Not like I need any clothes, but you get tired of wearing the same old stuff all the time. So I haven't gotten down my winter stuff yet. That's probably a project for today or tomorrow. And usually I put my summer stuff up in cubes up on top of my closet, but one of my friends mentioned, I'm like, that's a good idea. For now, when I don't have a roommate, just shove them in the closet in the other room, because that way I don't have to. So ones like my winter stuff is up in the cubes in the closet right now, and I need to bring them down. But because they've been folded up all season, I gotta wash them and dry them so I don't have to iron them. So if I don't do that, if I just hang them up in the closet, then I won't have to do that in the spring. So all right, that hooded knit one with the animal print is $44. The joggers are $32. The purple legging friendly tops, $40. The gray brushed knit one, the very first one, was $42. And Love Ellie pink sweater thing is $48. I figured it'd be the most expensive. So all you look at those, they're all like in the 40s. So you think, ooh, that's gonna be a lot of money. But after you take that 25% off, brings them all down into the 30s, then it's not so bad. So $154 divided 5 into that. So just slightly over $30 each, which isn't too bad. So it's cold in here. I don't want to get naked to put these on. It's cold in here. Well, we'll try them on for you anyway. I've got black pants on, so I can try all the tops on with the black pants, and then these two I'm going to try on together because they look like they might go together. So let's go. All right, now we can look at these. These are the different, like these are the pants and 2 ways to wear them, the sweater, the other shirts, you know, just different ways to wear them. And let's see what we got here. Welcome to your November fix, Patricia. I've got some great pieces for your cool weather wardrobe, so let's dive in. I know you wanted to see a pair of joggers, and I was able to send this pair your way from Bobo. I thought you'd love them because they're super budget friendly and have pockets just like you wanted. Definitely let me know how you like the fit and the feel of them. Oh, they feel really good and soft. I thought they'd go great with this fun confetti sweater from Love Ellie. I think they go good together too. This makes for a cozy look to wear while lounging at home or even for a casual holiday gathering. I also chose the Kaylee hoodie for you because it's great for cool days. Wear it with anything from jeans to joggers. I can't wait to hear how everything works out for you. XO Alyssa. I have a granddaughter who's an Alyssa. All right, so this one I liked, super soft. I thought it looked good. And this particular material is really soft, but it does peel pretty easy, so it doesn't last more than a year or two because it gets kind of pilly. But it feels so good. That one is the Market & Spruce Joey Henley, $42. And then this one, this purple one, oh, by the way, this is my 39th fix, which isn't that much considering I've been doing it for 5 years because I maybe do 3 or 4 a year. This one is a jogger friendly, $40. So the jogger, the purple one, I liked it. I just wasn't in love with it, but I liked it. This one, that was okay. It was okay. But as you'll soon see, Stitch Fix math means I might keep it anyway. I'll teach you about Stitch Fix math. This one's the Kaylee hoodie, $44. And then these two went together really well, I thought. The joggers were, where are they? $32, $31.97, and the sweater's $48. So the way Stitch Fix math works is, say you like 4 of them, which is the boat that I'm in. It's sometimes cheaper to keep that 5th one and get that 25% off discount than it would be just to get the 4 you like. So let's see. So the ones I like is 32, 40 is 72, and another 40 is 142 is 114. And then the sweater is 48. So, 114. So it's right around $150. Or for $154, I get all 5 pieces. So it doesn't really make sense to just get the 4 because it's basically this one that wasn't my favorite. I'm basically getting it for free, or this one. These two I could maybe do without. Let me see what it would be if I didn't get those two. Let's see, the jogger's 32 and the confetti sweater is 48, so that's 70, 80, that's 80, plus the other one is 80, so it's about $115 to just get those 3. Or for $40 more, I could get 2 more pieces. So the 2 I'm considering not getting are the purple legging friendly one and the dark gray one with the animal print. So the ones I like are the one with the big buttons on it, and then that's the sweater and the joggers together. Those 3 I for sure want to get. The other 2, should I spend the $40 more and get both of those? Let me know. Today is Sunday, and I got this today, so I don't know if today counts as my 3 days or not. Because you're supposed to send them back in 3 days. So let me know what you think of the purple one and the dark gray one. Should I keep them? Because it is only $40 for the both of them with the discount. Or should I just get the 3 I really like? I don't know. I mean, $40 is $40. I really shouldn't be buying any clothes because I'm on a tight budget, but I like to get at least a couple things for the new season, you know, not just wear the same old stuff that you wore the last 5 years in a row. So I like the heavy sweater and the jogger outfit. I think that's really cute. And the one with the buttons I think is really cute. The other two, I like them okay. And for $40 for the both of them, maybe. You let me know. You can see better than me what I look like in them, because, you know, it's hard to see what you look like in them in the mirror. And when I go back and look at the video, maybe that'll give me a little more info. So anyway, it's Stitch Fix Day, and if you've never done Stitch Fix before, I can put a code down and you'll save $25 off your first stitch, which basically saves you the styling fee plus the $5. I think it's 20 or 25. Anyway, I think it's 25. You'll get 25 and I'll get 25 towards my next fix. So if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll put that code down. You can give it a try. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's 50%. I've had one 50%. My granddaughter used that one. But usually it's 25%, or $25, I mean. And one time it was $100, but usually it's $25, or once in a while $50. Anyway, this is it. I love you all. If you haven't subscribed, love to have you. I do a little bit of everything. I don't know, I was 1 away, and then I was 3 away, so somewhere close to 800 subscribers. And when I hit 800, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And if you haven't watched my, I just did a video, or it went up this morning, a video with me at a craft fair, and somewhere hiding in there is me. And if you're the first one that says, that found me, like a Where's Waldo game, if you're the first one that says what I'm wearing, I'm gonna send you just a little something in the mail. Alrighty, love y'all. Let me know what you think. Bye.